Misconceptions of erosion. Misconception 1. Weathering and erosion are essentially the same thing. The two words can be used interchangeably. Let's find out. Weathering. Weathering is related to the natural breakdown and loosening of rocks or soils into smaller pieces, but the weathered pieces remain in the same place. So if we have a look at this picture here, we can see that this was once a rock and it is slowly broken down and all the remains have stayed around it. They haven't moved or been transported anywhere. Erosion. Erosion is the removal and transportation of rocks and weathered materials such as soils. It helps shape the landscape. So if we have a look at this picture here, we can see that yes, weathering has occurred, but if we look right down in the corner there, we can see that there's now a giant hole. So all that weathered rock has been physically moved, which is erosion. Have a look here. This is just a diagram I drew of what erosion looks like. This is cliff erosion. So this is where the cliff used to be, right out here, and now it's slowly retreating. And this is the cliff now, and this is the water. So and it's created quite a significant notch in the cliff face. This can be caused by just the high tide, storms, lots of different things. So weathering and erosion are not essentially the same thing. Weathering is the breakdown and loosening, and the pieces stay in place. Erosion is the removal of rocks, so they change the landscape quite significantly.